What is up, guys? This is Chris with NebuloCity. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since my last video and I apologize for that, but thanks for sticking around for all of my subscribers. Really appreciate it. COVID has let up a bit and my work is international development, not to mention I got this wonderful family and we're out and about. So it's just great being back out there. But I got to tell you, tonight is just a very, very beautiful, clear night, almost no moon, and we are shooting Jupiter at opposition. Now, for those of you who don't know what that means, it essentially means that when you have the Earth, the sun is on one side of our planet, Jupiter is on the exact opposite side. And what that enables us to do as astronomers is to take clearer pictures of the planets in that position. So it's a very, very special day here, September 25th, 2022. And the planet also happens to be a lot closer than it usually is. It's as close as it's been in 59 years, and so that's a pretty big deal in terms of, again, just trying to maximize as much your focal length as possible. Speaking of focal length, I am using my Dobsonian XT10G telescope by Orion, and I'm also using my Canon EOS 80D. That's the crop sensor, digital camera that I have. And I'll go ahead and drop a link in the description below for a video that I did last year on how to set up this combo, as well as how to take the videos that I'm taking right now, which are 60 frames per second videos. So 1 minute videos times 60 frames per second, 60 times 60, that's 3,600 frames a minute. That's about right for Jupiter. You're not going to get too much distortion with the rotation of the planet at that length. So I'm taking 1 minute videos and I'm running them through PIP and AutoStacker and Registax, again, software that I'll go over in the video that I did about a year ago for this particular setup. So look, I'm going to get back to it. Very excited about it. Hope all of you guys are getting wonderful images of Jupiter here in fall 2022. Saturn is still up there. Mars is coming up later tonight. So overall, it's a wonderful, wonderful season to get going. And also, winter season is coming up. So you got the Pleiades, you got Andromeda, a whole lot of great stuff. Rosette, California, you name it. So get out there, point your telescopes up to the night sky, and I'll definitely be checking back in with you guys in the not too distant future. Cheers. Take care. Looking deep into the night sky is one of the most amazing experiences a person can have in this life. But it's equally important that each and every one of us seek out that balance. The balance necessary for peace, tranquility, and the happiness we each seek for ourselves and for our loved ones.